In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Windows 11 lock screen and password. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Turning off your lock screen and password will make your computer less secure. This is usually only recommended for a trusted device at home or in a private office, not for laptops you take outside or shared computers. If you ever change your mind, you can always turn everything back on by reversing these steps. First, we'll make sure Windows is set up to sign you in automatically, so you don't have to type a password every time. On your keyboard, press the Windows key or click the Start button and type netplwiz. You should see an option called netplwiz or User Accounts. Go ahead and open that. A small window will appear showing the user accounts on your computer. Look for your main account in the list. Underneath, you'll see a checkbox that says something like, "Users must enter a username and password to use this computer." Uncheck that box. When you click Apply, Windows will ask you to confirm your current password. Type it carefully, then confirm it, and click OK. From now on, Windows will automatically sign you in to this account when it starts up. Next, let's stop Windows from asking for your password when it wakes up from sleep. Open the Start menu again and click on Settings, or press Windows key +I to open it quickly. In Settings, go to Accounts, then select Sign In Options. Here, find the section that says, "If you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again?" Open the drop-down and set it to Never. This tells Windows not to ask for your password after sleep or when the screen turns off. Now, let's deal with the actual lock screen. While you can't fully remove it through the standard Settings app, you can effectively bypass it so you go straight to your desktop. In that same Sign In Options page, make sure any settings that trigger the lock screen quickly, like dynamic lock or related features, are turned off. Also, you can set your screen and sleep timers to longer values under System and then Power and Battery, so your screen doesn't lock as often. Once you've done all this, restart your computer to test it. It should boot directly to your desktop without asking for a password, and waking from sleep should no longer require a sign-in. If you ever want the protection back, just revisit these areas in Settings and in the User Accounts window and turn the options back on.